Welcome to Codeless Craft, where creativity and technology come together.
Hey everyone, welcome to the final episode of our Top Skills to Learn in 2025 series. This is Codeless Craft and I'm Alex.
And I'm Priya. This one's special because today we are talking about something that a lot of people ask us. Can I build a career even if I don't have a college degree or a fancy background?
And the answer is absolutely yes. You don't need permission anymore. All you need is internal intent and consistent effort.
If you are from a small town, if college isn't an option, or if you feel behind, this episode is for you.
So let's break it down step by step on how to learn, work, and grow without a degree in 2025.
Okay, step 1. And this is crucial. Don't try to learn everything at once.
Yes, a big mistake many beginners make is jumping between coding, design, video editing, SEO, and copywriting, all in the same week.
The truth is, you only need one skill to get started. Pick something that you enjoy or are curious about. It could be coding, design, writing, editing, or marketing.
Once you have picked one, stick to one platform and one mentor. Follow their roadmap for 30 to 60 days.
Consistency wins over jumping around. Platforms like freeCodeCamp, Coursera, or even YouTube channels like Code with Harry or Ali Abdal can be your daily teachers.
Once you have chosen your path, the next step is learning deeply using free resources.
There is zero excuse today. We have got platforms like Khan Academy, Harvard CSI Discipline, freeCodeCamp, and thousands of Notion templates to guide your learning.
And don't forget AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Use them to explain hard topics, rewrite confusing tutorials, or even test your understanding.
Here is the real trick though. Don't just watch practice every day. Build something, even if it's small.
Yes, make notes, replicate mini projects, and reflect. Learning by doing is where the magic happens.
Step 3. Build projects. This is your proof, your credibility.
You don't need to build the next big startup. Just start small. Create a portfolio site, design a login new one in Figma, write 5 blog posts, make a 2-minute edited video.
Use tools like GitHub, Notion, Canva, Replit, or Figma to build and organize your work.
Then, showcase it. Post about it on LinkedIn, or create a simple personal blog on platforms like Kachnode, Medium, or Substack.
Now comes a game changer. Build your personal brand.
Think of your LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, or Gumroad page as your digital resume. It should speak before you do.
Share what you are learning, even your failures. Post behind the scenes of your projects. Share productivity tips or mini case studies.
No one's expecting you to be perfect. But people love following people who are real and growing.
And it's not about going viral. It's about being visible, or putting effort daily waiting till it's perfect.
Okay, so you have learned something, built projects, and have a growing brand. What's next?
Start freelancing or apply for remote internships.
Use sites like Fiverr, Intelshala, Upwork, Interlist, and even touring to find entry-level gigs or startup internships.
And yes, it's okay to do some free or low paid work in the beginning, just to gain testimonials, reviews, and confidence.
Here is the mindset. Don't expect Irisunate month from day one. Expect to learn, deliver value, and grow slowly.
Let's end with some rapid fire final tips for anyone trying to build a career from scratch.
Stop chasing certificates. Solve real problems instead. Build a portfolio, not just a resume. Apply to fewer jobs, but connect with more people. Stay consistent for 3-6 months. The results will show.
And finally, your degree doesn't define your destiny, your decisions and daily actions do.
The future belongs to learners, builders, and sharers. And you are already on that path just by listening today.
We hope this series gave you not just information, but inspiration.
It's not the end, it's just the beginning of your journey. And we will be here with more deep dives, skill breakdown, and real career advice.
If you like this final episode, like, comment, and share it with someone who needs it.
And of course, hit subscribe on Codeless Craft because your journey doesn't stop here, and neither do we.
Keep learning, keep building, and always believe you can do this.